Good evening. In the last videos, I think we are discussing about recursion. So as a part of this recursion, we have seen maximum examples. Like up to reverse of the given number we have seen. Now in today's session, I need to go for another program which is nothing but something like towers of Hanai. Sir, it is a very simple problem statement, sir. What is mean by towers of Hanai? Here we have some three towers will be there. Okay. So like example, so we are going to have three towers like this. Okay. And in the first tower, this is called as a source, and this is called as temporary, and this tower is called as this tower is called as destination, and here it is called as a temporary or auxiliary tower will be there. So what is your task is, here some disks will be there, sir. Okay. So maybe any number of disks. You can have one disk or two disk or three disk or n number of disks will be there. What is your task is, you have to move this disk from source to destination. Sir, in this first example, what we are going to do, directly we will move the disk from here to here. So easy step, because how many disks are there? Only one disks are there. Suppose if you have two disks are there, okay, like this is nothing but a first disk and this is nothing but a second disk. First disk, second disk. Sir, is it possible to move directly? No, right? Definitely it is not possible. In such cases, we have to take the help of this temporary disk. So first step we will move to from here. Second disk we will move here. So that what will happen? That a second disk will be eliminated from here. So after this, we have to move the first disk. We need to move the first disk from source to destination like this. And you can remove that first disk from here. Sir, after this, what will happen? So we can move the second disk from here to here. That's all, sir. Very simple step you have to follow. Okay. So very simple step we need to apply here. This is nothing but what we have. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. A simple step to be performed like this. But here there are some rules and regulations are there. Based on that we have to follow. Sir, what rules we have? The first rule here is, only only one disk can be moved at a time. At a time, how many disks we can able to move? Only one disk. And each move consists of taking upper disk from top of the tower. Okay, from the top of the tower. Okay, from top of the tower, and move to move to sir, temporary tower or destination tower. We have to move to temporary tower or destination tower. So what is the third rule is, no disk may be placed on the top of smaller disk. So based on these three rules, we have to move the disk. What is the first rule, sir? So only one disk you have to move at a time. What is the second rule? Sir, each move consisting of taking the upper disk. You should not take the disk from any position. You have to take only from the top of the tower, and we have to move that disk to the either temporary or destination. Okay. And one more rule, no disk may be placed on the top of a smaller disk. Suppose in the second case, you can see, sir, we have disk 2 is there, right? Disk 2 is the small disk. On the top of this small disk, we can't take larger disk like that we have. So based on this, we have to perform the operation. But how many lines of code we have to write? If you imagine, once if the number of lines are going to be increased, I mean, when the number of disks are going to be increased, it is very difficult to process. But here we have recursion. By using that recursion, minimum number of steps we can write to perform any number of disks. Okay, sir, maximum I'm going to use Okay, maximum I'm going to use so 3 to 4 lines of code. But how those lines are going to work, I will explain with a step by step. Sir, please confirm at the top level what is happening. Is it clear for you people, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. Please confirm everyone. Is the concept is clear? Right. Sir, I will take some examples for you to understand so that you can feel comfortable. Okay. Yeah, consider I am taking paint. So listen carefully. Sir, I have, so here I'm going to take some discs like this. This is nothing but disc number one. Okay. Like this, I'm going to take 3 discs. This is the second disk and this is the third disk. Okay, so like this I'm going to take multiple examples. Sir, already I think how to move one disk I explained. Now we will see how we are going to move 2 disks or 3 disks like that. Okay, so I will take 3 disks here and see what will happen. So 3 disks means what? This is the third disk. So on the top of this I am taking second disk, and on the top of this I am taking first disk. So this is a source, this is a temporary, and this is the destination. This is a source, this is the temporary, this is the destination. First, I am going to move the disk one. Okay, so from source to temporary. So that what will happen? So 2 disks will be there in the source. Like this, it will be there. Then one disk it is going to move to the temporary. Okay. In the next step, second disk I am going to move. Okay, second disk I am going to move to the destination. So next in the third step, you can't move 3, right? Because if you move 3, what will happen? This disk should be placed on the top of one or top of two, but both rules are invalid, right? Smaller disk on the top of that, so we can't take. That's why what we are going to do, sir, we have to move the disk 3 or disk 2 or disk 1, so from temporary to destination. So that what will happen? So this 3 will be available as it is. So already here we have to, on the top of this we have to take one. Then I will move this temporary disk to here. Okay, like that. Again one we can here. Okay, so what will happen? This one can I take here? Yes. Now I am going to move to here. Sir, can I take 2 here? Yes, no problem. 2 will be there and 3 will be available here and 1 will be there. Can I move 1 here? Yes, happily we can move 1 here. Then can I move 3 here? Yes, we can move. And then 1 I am going to take here. After that 2 I will move. After that 1 I will. Like that we have to follow certain steps. Okay, sir, at least by seeing this example, you got now some clarity, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
please. Right. Yes, sir. So now we will see the program related to this. How it is going to work, I will take one program and I will demonstrate. So DEF, I am taking towers like a function where it is taking one argument like n, and I am taking source, and I am taking temporary, and I am taking destination. Like this we have. So I will write the code later. Whenever we are calling, we will read the value of n from the user. Maybe so enter number of disks. How many disks are there with you? That I'm going to read. After that, so I'm calling towers a function by passing n, and the source name I'm giving it as a s, temporary name I'm giving t, and the destination name I'm giving t. Like that I'm taking. We have to fulfill this code. But the first step is what? If we have only one disk, then that will become base condition. If n is equal to 1, can you please tell me what statement we have to write here? Which disk we have to move from which place to which place? Anyone, can you please guide me, sir? Yes. Hmm. When only one disk we have, then how to move? I have only one disk is there. So which is available in the source, and this is a temp and this is destination. From which place to which place we have to move?
Source to destination.
That's are very simple. I'm going to move this from, okay, so we have to move the disk from, okay, or we have to move the disk n means that number, okay, from source to destination, from source to destination, like this we have to take. So let us run this code and see what will happen here. Py space I am taking test.py. So enter number of disk, only one disk. That's why what is the output that we are getting? You can see here we have to move the disk from first location to disk we have to move from source to destination, like this we have. Sir, if you have two disks, then what we need to do? Sir, we have to write code for that. Let us see how it will. Okay, so consider the same diagram I am taking, and here the disk I am taking like two. Okay, disk is nothing but this is the second disk and this is the first disk. Sir, where we have to move the first disk? First step is what? We have to move the disk, this one. Okay, from source to destination. Can I move this directly from source to destination? Or can I move from this source temporary? Yes, what is the first step? We have to move this disk from source to temporary. Please remember. So we are moving the disk from source to temporary. Source to temporary. Remember. So we are moving from source to temporary. This is one step. So after that, what we are doing? We have to move. Okay, we have to move the disk to from source to destination. As it is, we have to. Okay, we have to move this disk from source to destination. As it is, we have to. Okay, this code is already there, source to destination. Sir, then what we have to do? We have to move the disk one from temporary. Okay, we have to move the disk one from temporary to destination. From which location to which location we have to move? From temporary to destination. Sir, can I say, is it from temporary to destination? Yes, we have to repeat this process, sir. Beyond that, nothing. This is the logic behind that. Now you can see how I am going to write. Sir, if the number of iterations are not one, then what I am doing is I will call the function by taking n minus 1. Source remains the same. Okay, temporary will become destination and the destination will become temp, because you can see we have to move from source to temp. So source will become source and temp will become destination, because we are moving the disk to right, like that. Then after this, what we have to do? We have to take this statement as it is. Okay, we are going to move the disk n from source to destination, like this we have. Then after this, first disk got moved or second disk got moved, then we have to move one more operation, right? So that is after recursion we need to do this. So same n minus 1, we are going to take this source as temporary. Okay, because you can see the second instruction. What is the second instruction? We have to move from temporary to destination. So here that temporary will become source, source will become temporary, and this one will become what? Destination. That's all, sir. This is the code what we have for that. Okay, so first step, if n is equal to 1, we have to move directly from source to destination. If n is not equal to 1, first we have to call for its lower disk, where we need to move from source to temporary by taking destination as a temporary value. Okay, then we have to move the disk from source to destination as usual. After that, we have to do one more backtracking, which is nothing but n minus 1 disk we have to move from temporary to destination. Why? Because it is already there inside a temporary that we have to move. Okay, that's all, sir. Beyond that, nothing. If you are getting confusion, try to take this code in the paper and take n is equal to 1 means how it is working, n is equal to 2 means how it is tracing. Like that, you have to trace one by one. But let me run this code here and see what will happen. Sir, enter number of disks. Is the disk 1 is moving from source to destination? Yes. If you take two disks, okay, assume I have two disks are there. This is nothing but a source, this is nothing but a temporary, this is nothing but a destination. I have how many disks are there? Two disks. This is the disk 2 and this is nothing but a disk 1. What is the first step? We have to move the disk 1 from source to temporary. Take this from here to here. And what is the second step? Disk 2 from source to destination, this one directly to the destination. And disk 1 from temporary to destination, so that your requirement is going to be satisfied. Like this. Sir, if you are giving number of disks as a 3, you can see how many phases are there here. This is nothing but a source, this is nothing but a temporary, and this will become destination. So here how many disks are there? 3 disks. This is the disk 3, this is the disk 2, and this is the disk 1. We have to move the disk 1 from source to destination. From here to destination we have to. Then we have to move disk 2 from source to temporary. Disk 2 from source to temporary. Okay, and disk 1 from destination to temp, from destination to temp. Like this we have to. Okay, so then disk 3 from source to destination. As of now, we have only one disk is there in the source and two disks are there in the temporary and no disk in the destination. So we have to move 3 from here. So that what will happen? Sir, next disk 1 from temp to source, disk 1 from temp to source, so 1 will come here. Then we are moving 2 to temporary to destination, so 2 will come. Then we have to move 1 from source to destination. That's all, sir. All the movements are working, right? Yes. Even if you are giving 10 disks also, no problem. All possible combinations it is going to explain. I think you people are got very clear clarity in the real time how important this recursion is, because all possible combinations it is going to take. All possible combinations it is going to take. You can see how many lines of code we are going to get. Okay, but I'm not going to copy paste up to 10, just only 3 sample cases I'm going to take. But take up to 5. So take a white paper, write this code, and take 3 disks. Number of disks is equal to 1, what will happen? 2, what will happen? 3, what will happen? If you want to get more clarity, take 4 and 5 also, so that you can feel how the recursion is going to work. Can you please confirm, is the concept is clear, friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Right. So the next program what we have here is we need to find out subsets of the given string. I need to take subsets of the given string I want to calculate. Sir, first of all, what is mean by subset? If you take empty string, what is its a subset, sir? It is nothing but null. If you are taking only one character, what is its a subset? Null comma a. If you are taking two characters, what is the subset? Null is the subset, A is the subset, B is the subset, AB is the subset. If you take ABC, null is the subset, A is the subset, so B is the subset, C is the subset, AB is the subset, AC is the subset. Then, sir, BC is the subset, ABC is the subset. Without repeating all possible combinations we are going to get. That concept is called as what? Subsets. Okay. Sir, if the problem statement is clear, I will implement this program. It is very easy only. Please confirm is the concept is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now I'm defining a function called subsets where I will give the string answer index. 3 parameters are required. Based on this, I am going to work. S is equal to, I will give the input. So enter any string. For this, we have to find out substrings, I mean subsets. Initially, answer is equal to empty. Okay. Otherwise, let it be. Directly, I am calling subsets by passing the string. Initially, answer is empty. I will start from the 0th location. Now we have to fill this code. Let us see how it will be. Let us see how it will be. Sir, first step, I'm going to take subsets of S comma answer plus S of index. Okay, S of index comma index plus 1. Then second subsets function recursively I'm calling answer. I want to add that. So why these formulas came, I will explain with the help of diagram. Sir, please focus. It is easy and somewhat a confusion. Consider I am taking a string like A, B, C, 3 characters. What about locations? 0th location, first location, second location. So the given string is nothing but this one. Answer is initially empty. Keep that in mind. Then, sir, we are going to pass the index value as a 0. It is having 2 method calls. In the first method call, we are taking the subsets. S will be there as it is. Is it A, B, C? Yes. What about the answer? Already available answer plus S of index. What is the index value, sir? 0, right? 0, right? So in 0th location, which character is there? A. That I am adding to the answer. Initially, answer is empty. For that empty, A will be added. It will become A. Index plus 1. What is the index value? 0. 0 plus 1 means 1. On the other side, we have the same function. Index is 0 only. Sir, what is S? ABC. What is the answer? We are not adding anything. Your answer will become empty only. What is the index? Index plus 1. Like this we have. Okay. Second time what will happen? Again it will run, right? It will execute 2 times because it is a recursion. Same function it will be called. Same function it will be called. In the next time what is happening? Sir, initial string is ABC and answer plus S of index. Now index is what? 1, right? So in first location, which character is there? B. I am including, I am appending this B to the result so that you will get AB and then index plus 1. On the other side, ABC will be there. We are not adding B because you can see simply we are taking answer. Sir, index plus 1 will become 2. And similarly here what will happen? For index is equal to 1, your answer will become ABC. I mean your string will become ABC. What is the answer? Initially empty. We have to take first character and we need to add. So it will become B comma 2. And in the second case, we are not adding the value of B. It will become ABC and then empty string and then again we have to expand. Like this we need to continue. Sir, please confirm how these recursive calls are happening. If you are clear, I will explain the next level. Is the concept is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How it is happening? Is it clear? Right. Let us go for the next expansion. What is the next expansion here? This will be executed how many times? 2 times. So again here index is 2, index is 2. It will be executed 2 times, it will be executed 2 times, it will be executed 2 times. In the first case, ABC will be available as it is. We are adding 0, 1, 2. Second location characters we will add into the string so that your answer will become ABC. This is the first case. In the second case, we are not adding that C character. It will become AB1. In this case, what will happen? We are taking the string and we are adding second location, which is the character at second location C. Already A is the result, AC we will get. In the other hand, ABC comma, we are not adding C, so it will become only A. And here second location, already B is there. So ABC comma, BC will come and then 3. So here ABC comma, we are going to get only B and then 3. So here ABC comma, we are getting C. And here ABC comma, empty string we are going to get and then 3. Whenever the length is 3, what is the length of the string? 3. We can stop. Now see how many combinations we got. Is all the combinations came? ABC, is it a subset? Yes. AB, is it a subset? Yes. AC, is this a subset? Yes. Sir, A, is it a subset? Yes. BC, is it a subset? Yes. B, is it a subset? Yes. C, is it a subset? Yes. Empty string, is it a subset? For ABC, null. Null means empty. Sir, this one. Then A, B, C. Sir, A, okay, B, C. Yes, all the combinations came. So then AB, AC. Okay, sir, AB, AC. So then BC, yes, came. Then ABC. Sir, all possible subsets came or but how to terminate here? That we have to write code here. Sir, that is nothing but what in my point of view, it is the base condition. When we can stop, if the index value is reached to length of the string, then simply I'm going to print the answer and then I will return. But while printing the answer, you won't get that empty string. If the length of the answer is equal to 0, that means in that place, can you please print null? Otherwise, can you please print that answer? Like that I'm taking, because if there is no answer, I want to print null. Okay, that's all, sir. Now let us run the code. Is the code is going to work perfectly? It will work. Now I am giving the string as A. Sir, A is one substring. I mean A in one subset. Null is one subset. I am giving AB. So AB, A, B, and then null. I am giving ABC. So ABC, AB, A, BC, B, C, null. Like this we are getting. Even if you can give A, B, C, D, all possible combinations it is going to print. So I think how to get subsets of the given string, it is very clear for you people. Friends, please confirm. Do you have any doubts how it is working?
No, sir.
This one also compulsory. You need to take some program. Then only, I mean, you need to take some diagram. Then only you will get a clarity. Just to take a A4 paper, write down that code and you have to expand. Okay, got it? Can I go for next program? Yes, please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. So let us go for the next program. What we have here, permutations of the given string. If you take A, what are the permutations? I mean combinations, we will get only A. If you take AB, what output we will get? AB and then BA. So if you take ABC, what output we will get? ABC, ACB, ACB. Okay, next BAC. Okay, next and after that BCA, next and after that CAB, next and after that CBA. Like 3 combinations are there. I mean 6 combinations you are going to get. Sir, can I say if it is a string n factorial combinations you are going to get. N factorial combinations you are going to get. This is nothing but what we have. So AB means AB is one string and BA is another string. If you take ABC, ABC is one string, ACB is another string, BAC is another string, BCA is another string, CAB and then CBA. Like that we are going to get. So now we have to develop this code, sir. Sir, it is also same like previous program, but a small modification here is just we are going to define a function like fun. I will pass a string and then output. Index is not required. Now how to define this? I am taking string and then answer. Sir, if the length of the string is equal to 0, then I am going to print the answer. Then I am going to print the answer. Otherwise, return. Sir, else what will happen? So listen carefully. For each I value in the range of length of the string, see, I am going to call the function only one time, like s of colon I. That means starting from 0th location to ith location, then I plus 1 to ending I am taking. Okay. And that answer is there, right? That I am going to append to s of I. That's all. So anyway, once if you see the diagram, then only you will get clarity. Sir, first I will take the string called ABC. Please focus on this. 0th location, first location, second location. Okay. I'm going to give the answer as a empty. Is length of the string. This is the yes, right? Is this length is 0? No. Then I in the range of length of yes. How many characters are there? 3 characters. So how many times it is going to execute? 3 times it is going to work. This is the first time, this is the second time, this is the third time. 3 times it is going to work. When it is working first time, what is the value of I? 0. When it is working second time, I value is 1. When it is working third time, I value is 2. Now observe, first time I am going to take the first argument for the function. This is the second argument. Recursively we are calling. What is the first argument? S of 0th colon to I. I value is 0. 0 to 0 means empty string. Nothing you are going to get. Then plus empty string plus I plus 1. I value is 0. First location to till end. That means can I get BC is the result? Yes. This is first argument. What is the second argument? Answer is empty. Empty plus S of I. I is equal to 0. So that I will be added. This is one combination. What is another one? Sir, S of 0 colon I. I value is what? 1. 0 to 1 means we will get only one character, which is nothing but A. Then I plus 1. I value is 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. Starting from 2 to ending. That means only C. So then I'm adding answer plus S of I. What is ith location? 1. In first location, which character is there? That I am adding to the result. And in this case, I value is nothing but 2. 0 to 2. That means what? 0 to 1 you will get. Comma. Sir, 2 plus 1. That means 3. There won't be any string. And answer plus S of I. Since I is equal to 2, your answer will become C. Sir, nothing I am doing. My original string is ABC. Okay. I am taking the first character and I am giving into the answer. In the second case, I am taking second character. In the third case, I am taking third character. If you remove first character, in the first case, the original string will become BC. If you remove second character, your original string will become AC. If you remove third character, your original string will become AB. Like that we are doing. But is the length of the string is 0? No. Again, so 2 characters are there. From this, we have to extend one character and you need to put it into the answer. But how it is going to work? Sir, how many characters are there here? 2 characters. The length of the string is what? 2. That's why it is going to execute how many times, sir? Again, it is going to execute 2 times. Sir, anyway, I will explain that process also. Okay. So because here, if you see, the value of I will become 0. Okay, the value of I will become 1, I will become 0, I will become 1, I will become 0, I will become 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. How it is going to work, I will explain. But please confirm, up to this, do you have any doubts? Yes, please confirm, up
No,
to
sir.
this.
No, sir.
Right. Sir, let us expand this again. So what is a string? S of 0 colon I value is 0. 0 colon 0 means B won't be there. We are going to get only C because I plus 1. 0 plus 1 means 1. First location to till end means C. And the answer is already A. A plus 0th location is B. We will get like this. Sir, what about next one? Sir, S of I value is 1. 0:1. That means first character will come. Then I plus 1. I value is 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. We don't have any location. Then answer is already A. S of I. First location is what? C. So AC will come. In this case, A will be there, will be added to B, and then C will be there. C comma, we are going to get B. And here A will be there, we are adding C, so that we will get BC. And here B will be there, A will be added to C. And here A will be there, B will be added to C. Like this we will get. What is the length of the string? Only 1. That means only one occurrence will be there. In this case, we are taking C and we are adding so that it will become empty, and then that C will be appended to the last. And here B, empty string we are going to get. Okay. And that B will be appended to the end, ACB. And here empty string and BAC. And here also empty string and then BCA. And here also empty string CAB. And here also empty string, okay, CBA. Like that we are going to get. Sir, all these combinations came or not? Yes. This is the way what we have here. Sir, let us run this code and check is it working properly or not. ABC. Sir, is all combinations came? Yes, ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, CBA. Sir, everyone please confirm, is the concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. So this is nothing but what we have. Okay. So practice up to this. Today I'm going to wind up the session because I have some urgent work is there. Okay. So practice up to this. So tomorrow we will take this grid base because continuity will be there. Grid base and backtracking we will start tomorrow. Okay. I will upload the notes within few minutes. You can download. Thank you.